Transferring large files can be tricky with tools like WeTransfer, which limits transfers to 2 GB. In this video, we'll explore 9 top alternatives that let you send larger or unlimited files, with features to suit various needs. 1. Best WeTransfer alternative: MobiKin transfer for mobile. For those who often move data between phones, MobiKin transfer for mobile Windows Mac could be a practical WeTransfer alternative. How to use the best WeTransfer alternative. MobiKin transfer for mobile to copy data between smartphones. After downloading and installing the software, open it on your desktop to access the main interface. Connect both devices to the computer at the same time using 2 USB cables. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure they are correctly recognized. As the source and destination, click Flip if their positions are reversed. Select the data types from the center panel and click Start Copy to begin the transfer process. 2. Smash. When large files need to be sent without compression, Smash offers a refreshing option compared with WeTransfer. No strict file size cap means users can share massive videos or project folders with ease. 3. SureSend. For privacy-conscious users, SureSend, a great Smash substitute, positions itself as a strong WeTransfer substitute. Files are protected with end-to-end encryption, ensuring only intended recipients can access them. 4. Jumpshare. Professionals who collaborate remotely may find Jumpshare a capable alternative to WeTransfer. Beyond file transfers, it integrates previews, screen recordings, and team-friendly sharing options. 5. TransferNow. When speed and ease matter most, TransferNow provides a balanced WeTransfer-like experience. Files can be shared quickly through simple links or email-based delivery. Custom expiration dates and download limits give users control over shared content. 6. SwissTransfer. If generous limits are a priority, SwissTransfer proves to be a compelling WeTransfer alternative. Large files can be sent for free while benefiting from Switzerland-based data protection standards. No account is required, which streamlines the sharing process. 7. Fileinbox. For users who want reliable delivery tracking, Fileinbox offers more than a basic WeTransfer replacement. Senders can see when files are opened or downloaded, adding transparency to the process. Sharing via secure links keeps distribution simple. 8. FileMail. Handling extremely large files becomes easier with FileMail, a robust alternative to WeTransfer. Transfers are optimized for speed, even with files that reach hundreds of gigabytes. Dedicated desktop and mobile apps further enhance stability. 9. Send Anywhere. When cross-platform sharing is essential, Send Anywhere works as a flexible WeTransfer alternative. Files can be sent using links, QR codes, or direct device connections. No mandatory sign-up keeps the process quick and accessible.